Good morning, friends. Woo! Welcome to the new office. Yeah, just kind of a quick little introduction to my new space. My dad and I switched offices, and this has been his space for a long time. It's also been storage for a long time. So we got a lot of stuff that's going to go. Right now, today, this computer desk is going to go. Then we can start tackling some of the stuff behind there. My little shipping station for woodworking stuff is in the back. And but we've moved like all of my books. My library is here. That's exciting. And got some big plans. We're trying to rearrange. What's going to be fun is doing a bunch of DIY projects for this space. Stuff that I've never done before. Things that you could totally do at home. One of them being, we're going to make a leather, there we go. We're going to make a leather blotter for this desk, and this desk is enormous. It's 36 by 60. It's 3 by 5. This desk is huge. And of course, being the ridiculous human that I am, I want to make a desk blotter for the whole thing, not just like my mouse and keyboard. And the other thing that I want to do is build a couch. Say hi to Moose. Hey, hi. Someone wants to play. Yeah. So when I'm going to build the sofa over here, it won't be super fancy, but it'll be something we can all put together out of some plywood, and if you've got a sewing machine, you'll be able to sew cushions. I think I'm going to try and turn that over for Megan to participate in that project. I also have a big flat file from my art school printmaking days, and I'm going to put that on casters and probably do a leather blotter top for that as well, and use it like a coffee table, which will be interesting. We're getting pulled around by Moose. Because that's also huge. It's, I think, 53 by 40 or something like that. And we've got some work tables that we'll build over on that side of the room, because this will also be like my photo printing studio. So it's going to be interesting. I'm still debating on the red. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments what you think below. Red or like a dark navy blue. So this room also has 2 fluorescent tubes. I'm not going to tackle the drop ceiling. That's beyond me. But fluorescent lights drive me nuts. So I'm trying to think about how to do a recessed indirect lighting with maybe like a big single light box as well. I think kind of mid-century modern big square thing on the ceiling made out of walnut or cherry or something. I just got to figure out how to hang it. Yeah, we got to figure out how to hang it. So anyways, if any of those projects sound interesting, if they sound like something you want to participate in or try for yourself, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I post these videos in the future. So we're gonna start with the leather blotter. I'm gonna go tomorrow because the local leather shop is closed. And I actually want to go in person and see the leather and not order it online. The other thing we're going to do is a bunch of indirect lighting. Again, because I don't like the top lighting 95% of the time, I'm going to get a bunch of little lamps. The first one that I'm picking up right now is I found on Marketplace. I'm going to go get, it looks like a lighthouse. I'll post a picture of it here in a minute. So, and then I've got a friend, Mathis, out in Delafield, Wisconsin, and I happened to see 2 old tin wall sconces that have been converted to electric light instead of candles. So he's gonna pick those up for me and ship them to me, and they'll be something. So this shelving back here behind me is gonna have a bunch of little lamps that I can turn on instead of the lights overhead. So, all right, stay tuned. I'm still afraid of vlogging in public, so I'm not going to take you with to pick up the lamp or to go talk to my accountant because, it's tax time. But we'll touch base when I get home. See you guys. All right, we are back, and I got everything down in the office, and my mom and I cleaned up some stuff in here already. You can see. Whoa, it looks different from this morning. It's because the desk is already gone, and we kind of rearranged over there, trying to make it a little bit better. I'm trying to put my glove on here. But, new lamp. Oh, that's Abby. There's Moose. It's bigger than I thought it was, so I'm gonna put it. I wanted to put it up on these shelves, but it's bigger than I thought it was, so I'm not gonna do that. But right now, we need to run out and check our lumber piles to see if we have some slabs for a client who wants some big walnut. I know I've got some, but not all. Well, I'm not 100% sure. I know I have 3. I'm hoping I have 4. So hold on a second. I gotta set you down. Gotta put on my glove because it's cold out. That's better. But there's actually, I didn't check the temperature, but the wind's almost non-existent. This is way nicer right now. It's super bright out here. The snow is really bright. Woo. But I'm really hoping that I have the slabs for this client because they're an awesome local furniture maker, and I'd really love to work with them. But I gotta see. Because I don't. All right, I'll show you what's up. All right. So I want these 4 bottom slabs. All right. I know these 3, 1, 2, and 3, are all the same, and I'm not 100% sure about this one here. These 2. These all came from the same tree, same logs, but what I don't know is if this 4th one here is the pair to this. So, I'm gonna come try and take a look down here on the end. I think so. Yeah. I'm gonna have to go grab a tape and verify that this is the right length and width. But so I'm gonna go do that and whatever. Yeah. All right. So I think we have what we need, and so I'm gonna contact them and let them know. Oh yeah, don't you love that hair? That's great. And back to the office. Woo! Hey. All right. Gotta do some officey stuff, and then I gotta go keep an eye out for the lady that's coming to pick up that computer desk. And then I don't know what we'll do. Keep working down here. Hello. Whoa, packages. Alright, so some of you might know I also like to do photographs, photography, something, that kind of thing. I've been getting prints ordered. Excuse me, I'll get rid of that. My printing company sends suckers whenever stuff gets shipped to the house. That one was cherry, but which I hate. I hate artificial cherry, and I hate artificial grape. But it comes in a box, so I'll eat it. I had to get a print reprinted because this is going to a friend of mine in Alaska. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. So the original one I put in here has lines across, printing lines. So I had to have it fixed. These will get boxed up and sent soon. Woo! Oh boy! All right. Ooh, look, lights, pretty lights, all the lights. We'll talk about all the lights and stuff that I made yesterday later. This is obviously I skipped a day ahead. I didn't get my Monday vlog finished on Monday, or was it Tuesday? I don't know. I don't know what day it is. We're gonna try and do this, but could be interesting. So, anyways, stick around. There's more content coming up. I'm finishing the design for the sofa in this room, and that's exciting. I got the leather ordered for the blotter that we're gonna make for the the desk blotter. Pay no attention to the mess on the desk. I was doing really, really well down here until I moved in the final stuff from my desk upstairs, and now it's kind of like. But I'll hopefully get that cleaned off and finish tonight. Anyways, if you want to follow along with a semi-daily vlog about all these projects, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel, and hit the bell to be notified when new videos come out. So, until next time.